Okay, first things first, you're going to need a micro SD card and a micro SD card adapter to turn it into an SD card. So you take this little guy, and 8 gigabytes should be enough. This one is 16, just what they had at the store, but 8 gigabytes should be enough for the size of the operating system. So the micro SD card fits into the adapter, and on my Mac I have a SD card reader right on it, but you can get a USB SD card reader fairly easily. A lot of computers have built-in SD cards, but if not, then you should probably get a USB SD card reader.
Once the SD card is inserted, the first thing you'll want to do is download the Pi server zip file. The link for that is in the description below. So what that'll do is download a zip file that you'll want to unzip in a specific folder. In this case, I named my folder Pi server, and the output of that unzipping is an img file, which is the image. Now that we have our img file, we're going to want to unmount our SD card in the disk utility. So we select our SD card and we hit the little eject button or unmount to unmount the SD card, and then we go to our terminal. In terminal, we're going to want to get our disk path that we can use in our formatting command. To do that, we're going to use diskutil list, and the last one usually is your SD card, and you can see it's dev disk 2 in this case. So we'll take dev disk 2 and we're going to enter it into our formatting command. So the dd command is our formatting command. You can see I'm putting disk 2 here, and then I'm going to copy that and paste it and run it here with my PS server image. This is the one that I previously unzipped. And when I run it, there's not going to be a lot of output, but it can take up to 15 minutes to complete this command. Once the command is complete, you should see an output that looks something like this. It basically says that the dd command is complete. So then we're going to open our Finder and then go to the SD card that's mounted again. And then we're going to open the WPA supplicant.conf file in a text editor. So we'll open it with text edit in this case. In this, you'll see Wi-Fi name and your Wi-Fi password. This is where you insert your current Wi-Fi name, whatever it may be, and your current Wi-Fi password. So you change it to whatever it is, and then after that is updated, you want to save this file. Once it's saved, go ahead and close out the file, and then you're going to want to eject the SD card again.
Once you've ejected the disk, it's safe to take the SD card out and remove it from the adapter. And then you'll have your micro SD card to put into your Pi. In the bottom here on mine. Once it's in the Pi, all you have to do is power it up with a USB Type-C cable into a regular outlet, with an adapter of course, but once the Pi starts running, you will see a Wi-Fi network called PicoBrew. On your Pico device, what you want to do is select the network PicoBrew and enter the password, all uppercase, PicoBrew, and your Pico device will be connected to your new Raspberry Pi offline server. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope it's helped.